What are you doing, buddy?
I'm making a dumpling, Mr. Daddy, and that is really disgusting.
Oh, what is it?
Here. Ugh. Ugh. Disgusting. Feels like it. And it looks like it's slime. Ugh.
Looks like slime.
Yeah, and on the other hand, there's flour.
Oh.
Look.
Okay. So look at that. We got it all right here.
Yeah.
So
the bucket is dirty.
okay, help me sprinkle. We got it. Oh no. Let's leave that pile, and let's pile the one you're playing with up. Okay. And let's sprinkle it around, all around. Okay, sprinkle, because we don't want it to stick to the counter. Okay, sprinkle everywhere. Okay. Now.
Ugh. Can I sprinkle on it?
Not yet. Hang on. 1 sec. Let mommy.
Can I sprinkle it? Can I sprinkle it with this?
Yes, just a little bit. Okay.
Can I sprinkle it?
Oh, that's enough. Okay, hang on. Mommy will get it ready so you can help me roll it out.
Can I roll it?
Not yet. Wait a minute. Let mom get it ready.
I need to wash my hands.
Oh no, you're good because yours are powdery, so it won't stick to your hands. Mommy's are wet, so mommy had the dough on hers. Okay, so let's pat. We'll pat it. Pat it. Okay, and now we'll flip it. And pat it some more. Okay, like a little ball.
Now?
Now. Okay.
I can let it roll it.
Yep. Wait. Start from the middle. Come towards the back. And now turn it. Okay. Now turn it. Okay, here. Okay, wait. Help me flip it. Let's flip it over. Okay. Okay, now let's roll it. Roll it out. We gotta get it nice and thin, but you want it even, okay?
Okay.
So that's why we're gonna do it like this, and then this, and this. Okay. And yes.
Oh.
Whoop. Okay, so we need to pat it some more. Let's see. This is gonna be a tough one. Hold on 1 sec. Let mom get that one. Okay. It's not another flip. Okay, let's roll it some more. Roll it out. Roll it out. No, here. Mommy will finish.
Oh, you got it. Let me straighten that up how it was. Let me straighten
Okay.
that up how it was.
Make sure it's not sticking. Okay.
There, that's how it was.
Okay. Do you think this is thin enough?
Yeah, that's
Not quite.
Nope. Well, it's getting bigger.
I know. Is it wild?
Dad, look, it's getting bigger.
No, it's way big.
Okay.
Oh,
Now are you about ready?
Look
I
all
know.
over me.
You're so dirty.
look my shirt.
Oh, you're so dirty.
Okay.
It's all dirty.
So
My shirt is all dirty.
you got
My pink.
a mustache, a flower mustache.
Hey,
Okay.
can I make another one? Can I make another one?
Yeah.
Flower mustache.
You got a mustache. Hey, Jackson, guess what?
What?
I must ask you a question.
I have a statue question. I gotta put.
Okay. Let me just. Oh, I got flour. Okay. You ready?
I gotta cut it.
Yep. Let's do it together. Okay. Easy. Okay. You want nice rows all the way to the end.
That looks
That
sharp.
looks sharp. Yeah. Good job. Okay. Good job, Bert. Okay. Woo. That one got kind of fat in the middle, huh?
Huh?
That's okay. Sometimes we all get a little fat in the middle.
Yep.
Okay. There we go. Good job, Bert. I think you're a professional dumpling cutter. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need to do it this way.
Can I do it myself?
Let me help you out, okay? Oop.
Oop.
And we make them kind of different sizes this
Oop.
way. Some bigger, some smaller. This way. What do you think about
We're
that?
all done.
What do you think about that?
I get this one.
Okay, wait, don't lift them up yet. Okay, so next,
This looks like a piano.
let's get
Right here looks like a piano.
Here, come here. Let's get your stool. Say now this way. This time you gotta be careful, okay? Come stand on your stool and I'll bring you dumplings.
Bring me the plate.
Yeah.
Oh,
Stand right
look
here.
at me.
You're so cute. Here,
Now I made
Turn
it
around and look
soft.
at me.
turn around.
Now I'm.
Are you all dirty?
Yeah, I'm all dirty.
Oh.
Okay, pooped.
All right, hop up on your stool.
Stand up.
Now be careful, it's hot, okay?
Don't
That the one's right there.
Yep. Okay, so here. Hold that. Reach over. Because it's not going to, if you just drop it. Reach over and just drop it in. There you go. Just dip. Okay, just drop it in. Good job, Pooh. Okay, just drop it in. Just drop it. Good job. Okay, I'll get some more.
Big. It looks funny in there.
Yeah.
Tag us. We're trying to make dumplings.
All right.
What's that? It's our first time.
Mommy, Mr. Daddy, this is when I was at Chuck E. Cheese.
Hey, what about this?
Yeah.
Doop. Doop.
Bloop. Bloop. Oops.
Oh,
Whoops. Got it.
and dragon. Doop.
Good job.
Doop.
Good job.
Doop.
Bloop.
I can do 5.
No, just one at a time.
Doop.
One more.
All done.
Mm-hmm.
Can I mix it?
No, I don't want you to hold your hand over here too long like that, okay? I just don't. I don't want
My
you to.
hand might hot. It might get my hand might get hot,
Yeah.
and it might burn too bad, and I'll have to go to a doctor.
Yeah.
Well,
So what are you wanting to be when you grow up? You want to tell Daddy?
I want to be a paleontologist. No.
Paleontologist?
Firefighter. No.
And a firefighter? You know you can be.
A police car. A police. No.
Are you done putting dumplings in?
A pirate. No. I want to be a what's that builder guy called?
Bob the Builder? Construction? Architect?
I'm gonna be Bob the Builder when I grow up.
Yeah?
Yeah, Bob the Builder.
You want to do construction?
Yeah.
Or you can be an architect?
No, I don't
That
want to.
means you create
Can I help?
buildings. Dude, come on over.
Okay.
Here, wait. No, okay.
We need a last one.
Can you get it? Okay. Are you gonna bring it over?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, toss her in. Bloop. Bloop.
I'm afraid to.
Bloop.
I'm afraid to do that
Bloop.
because it might splash on me.
Nope, see? It's not.
If I do it slow, it would work.
Bloop.
We got dumplings. Ooh, are you excited?
Are you
Alright.
done yet?
Not quite.
No, we're not done yet. We're not quite done yet. 'Cause
Okay.
See, we have some left, Daddy. Look. Look at the white things we have left.
Oh, yeah.
We have
Okay,
some
come on.
left.
Get up here so you can.
Okay.
Gotta stir them nice and gentle because until they get ready, they can bust
I'm
up.
gonna roll this up.
You're gonna roll it up and toss it in that one?
Yeah, I'm gonna roll it up.
Okay, maybe we'll.
That works. That works how dumplings work.
Oh, careful.
You got me.
Okay, so let's not roll it and toss it, okay? Because it makes a little too much of a bloop and I don't want you to get a burn. Bloop. Bloop.
Bloop.
Okay.
I love you, baby. Mwah.
What? We're almost missing one.
I
Look.
know, we're getting
Are we
close.
missing one?
Yeah, we're missing all of them. Okay.
One at a time, okay? One at a time. Nope, one. There we go.
Put 2.
One. Okay, hang on one sec. Let's let him.
Does that not make it hot?
Well, yeah, it does. But we're going, oh, careful. Oh, there's some. S-K-I-N in here.
It'll cook.
That looks like a little bit of.
Because we made homemade
Looks
broth.
like
It looks like a bud of.
What is
We
that?
made homemade chicken broth today too, huh?
Yep.
Yep.
We have last ones.
Okay, I'll grab them.
No, I will grab them.
Okay, Poot.
I'll grab the last one.
How many are there?
I got some.
Did you
All
count?
right. Here, let me carry them for you. Okay.
No.
Okay, we'll count them as we drop them in, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. One,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Yay! Good job. Was that fun?
Dumplings.
Yeah, it did. Hey, can I play that?
Yes. Leave it on the. Don't let it come off of there though, okay?
Okay. Then you'll have to vacuum.
Yeah. Jackson, you think you want to eat some beans?
No, I don't like it.
I know. I just thought I'd try.
All
Look,
right.
One hand. Look, Mommy, I made my hand.
You made a hand?
Look.
Oh.
Looky there.
Look down. Need spots.
Look.
1 spot,
Looky there.
2 spots,
Ooh.
3 spot.
All right. So did you have fun with Mommy making dumplings?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I need flour.
Are you excited to eat them?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about it?
Well, it was my favorite part about cutting it.
Cutting was your favorite part?
Yeah.
I can understand that.
And
What about blooping them in? Was that cool?
Oh,
they go for.
a little bit. That's okay. But we want to keep it on the counter, okay?
Look, it looks like a volcano.
So it look like a volcano. Make a volcano.
Volcano.
Yeah. Is it going to erupt?
Erupt.
Erupted?
Oh no, it's splitted.
Yeah.
I can make something else. I can make something giant right here.
All right. Well, that was fun making dumplings with Mommy. Jackson, can you say bye-bye?
Bye bye.
Wave.
Bye.
Bye-bye.